Hi guys, I'm making gorditas and I'm almost done, but I decided I would just give you like a preview on how to do them, and next time take the time to show you from the beginning. This is the end result. I like my gorditas nice and crispy, so that when I add the salsa, they don't get soggy. So this is how they look at the end of the process. The first thing you do your masa. You add salt and a little baking powder, and you mix it until it's like nice and soft like this. And then you also refry your beans with some jalapenos, and also some you add some mozzarella cheese and mix it all together, so these beans are really cheesy and nice and dry. That's the only way they're not gonna spill out of your gorditas that much. So what you do is you make a tortilla. You must have your pan with hot oil already when you're doing the tortillas. You make a large enough tortilla to wrap the beans inside. So you grab like as much as you think you can put in there, and then you wrap it. It's like a pupusa. We call them gorditas. Everybody calls them whatever they want. For me, it's like something that I do whenever we're hungry and there's nothing else. We don't want to go out. There's always beans in my house, and most of the time there's always cheese, so you can always grab that maseca from the cover and make some masa to make gorditas. And that's my husband's favorite food. This one is having too many spaces with the beans, but it doesn't matter, because I already have so many made that I really don't care how they look. They're delicious regardless. The oil is pretty hot already. So you're gonna just dump it in the oil, and it's gonna start cooking real quick. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes to cook on both sides. And just gonna watch these as I do them right now. So the tortilla is thick so that it's playable, and you can add the beans and cheese in there. You fold it, and then you roll it. You put it down, and not my best looking because I'm almost out of masa, but you get the idea. That's more or less what we're looking for. I ran out of masa. This is all left over. Don't mind how they look. They are really good. Then we're gonna watch as they get nice and crispy. We're gonna wait. Once they get like a little puffy, you'll know that they're ready to turn around. So you're gonna keep looking at these, and then I'm gonna go grab the ingredients to show you what I top those with and how we eat them at my house. So Rick, keep on filming until I get back with the cheese and the onion and the sauce. So for our gorditas, we prefer the raw tomatillo salsa. I just put like 8 tomatillos, 2 jalapenos, a little bit of cilantro, salt, and you blend it, and that's it. That's the most classic green salsa for this type of gorditas. We're gonna bring a plate and plate it for you so you can see how they should look. Okay, we're gonna just grab this one. Hear it? It's nice and crispy, and that's how I like mine. So you just add the salsa over it. You add as much onion as you like. Try to dice it really fine. And then you add queso fresco. And that's ready to go. How are we looking over here? Seems like this one is ready to turn. You fold it like this, you just flip it, This one will be turned like one more time. I need to probably raise the heat a little bit, but mainly you just gotta make it nice and toasty on both sides. This one needs a little more time. Try to make them a little smaller so that they're easier to turn when you first start making them. I've been making these forever, and today they don't look that great, but since I thought, why not, I'll show you. That's what we're doing now. Eventually we can show you from the beginning to the end. This is a short video just to show you what we're having for dinner last minute. I'm gonna try it for you and see, tell you if they're good or not. Salud. Delicious. Wish you were here, Bonnie. This is for you.